Hello everyone, welcome today a new weekend. Yeah, the weekend is started today. Yes, today the weekend is started, and today is December the 5th. Yes, December the 5th 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but there is also in this newspaper and quintuplet, and I've told you I won't do quintuplets anymore. So one regular Sudoku, one quintuplet. I will post a link, a PDF file, a link so you can download and make them. Make the quintuplet if you like. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus with 8 extra puzzles. But first one I will do is the medium one. And this will be number 1974. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. Yes. Alright. So let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for a 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, 7. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then... Then I cannot continue with the 8. I see. How about the number 6 in this row? 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for a 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers. And 9 and 4. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for a 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 9 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. Alright. How about the number Let me see. Number. No. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1 and the 3 in this row. So no 1 and the 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. So the other 3 numbers should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here the 8 and the 9. So no 8 and the 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. So 1 box left. Should be the 5 here. Alright, 9 and 8. 5, 5. Alright. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this second row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes are left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 boxes in this column? 3 and 5 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Second pair. So this should be the third pair. The 4 and the 9 are missing. A lot of pairs. Alright. 1, 9. Alright. 4, 4. 5, 5. How about the 8? No 8. 8, 3. And the 4. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for a 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 9. 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3. So this, yes, 6 in this column. 6 in the third column. So the column between, the only place for a 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in the first column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 3 and the 9 are missing. Alright. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Again, a pair. That means in this middle row, 3 missing numbers, the 3, 5, and the 9. 3, 5, and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be there. The 3 and the 5 are left in the middle a row. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. One number left in this column should be the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 and more. This should be the 3, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be a 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the first row, the 2 and the 8 are missing. 2 and 8, we see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 6 is missing. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. The numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now, and have a great day.